Hey friends, it's Amanda. Welcome back for more Hip Kit Club inspiration. Thanks for being here and watching. Joining you today for a September main kit only layout today. And our brief was to create a diagonal design layout. And so naturally I couldn't resist my favorite Days of Splendor paper from Pickfresh Studio. Already got that inbuilt diagonal design there. And then I'm going to fussy cut these two marigold papers from crepe paper. I love that little deer. That frame is gorgeous. And you can see off camera, I've already gone and chopped about half of that gorgeous paper to create some gorgeous blooms. So a really, really elegant and pretty page today. One for my darling girl. And yeah, lots of fussy cut pieces. So you can see I've already done that frame. And I cut it out with my scissors and then just used a scalpel on the inside just to get the nice finish on the frame. And the cute little deer as well. And then all these florals, which I'm just going to run right along that diagonal strip there. So lots of fussing for this one. There's lots of, yeah, I move the flowers around a lot and I keep changing my mind on them. So I'm sorry about that. It's just one of those things where I think until you're happy, it's one of those, yeah, you just like to fuss kind of layouts. And I think because it's a clean page too, I was a bit fussier than normal. So that's my gorgeous framed photo. And I think that'll tuck in beautifully there. And the colours for this one are perfect for my darling girl. It's a really elegant colour palette. It's that really soft pink, the muted blues. It's got that vintage kind of feel to it. And then I'm going to have lots of gold highlights as well. So really gorgeous colour scheme and quite grown up for her because, of course, she's not a little girl anymore. She's almost 15 now, so very grown up. Still my baby girl. So little dear because she is, of course, so dear to me. And I love how this looks already. It's simple and elegant. And yeah, the combination of the crepe paper marigold with the Pickfresh Studio Days of Splendor is actually, to be honest, it's perfection. I couldn't have picked it better. They tie in beautifully together. So well done to Kim and Kimberly again for their amazing kits. We just get so inspired by them. They're so good. They really know what works. And it doesn't matter which kits you get, they're always so beautifully curated. So if you aren't a subscriber and you don't like missing out, be sure to click the links in the description box below so that you can secure and lock in your subscriber kit and of course get your discounts and all the benefits that come with being a subscriber. So lots of info on that over on our website and links in the box below. And just as I said, I'm going to fuss around with these flowers a lot. I think the thing with clean layouts is they're often harder because things have to be quite so, and if you get them out of balance or, yeah, it can look really dreadful. So as I said, just spending a bit of time on that. I have double foam mounted my photo just so it pops a little bit more because being such a soft colour scheme and a really soft photo too, you know, I just needed to be lifted so it stood out. So there we go. And I think even though I'm only using the main kit today, that's part of my design brief is to only use the main kit. In the PL kit this month, the pocket kit, there was a Maggie Holmes Marigold sticker book as well. And I think the frame that I have fussy cut is actually one of the stickers in there as well. So, you know, if you get that kit, you could maybe just stick the sticker over your photograph as well. So that would be maybe a little bit easier than fussy cutting this frame. So yeah. Oh, isn't that cute? I love this. I needed to add a bit of pop of colour. So I'm going to come in with lots of the Jen Hadfield cardstock stickers that are in the main kit as well. The florals are really soft and pretty and I thought they'd tie in nice. So that, again, just that little hints of pink. And then, as I said, lots of gold. So some gold flourish with leaves and, yeah, just tying in again, supporting my photo. So just to draw you in there. And then I'll tuck some in sort of at the base of my page. And then, of course, once I'd stuck them down, I changed my mind. Look at this. I'll change my mind again. There we go. See, very fussy, very particular. But there we go. And now you know why I sped it up because I actually spent longer on this layout than I would have perhaps on a busier one because it just, yeah, takes longer sometimes to get things in the right spot. I love this Days of Splendor chipboard. It actually says beauty and the colour couldn't be better for my colour scheme on my layout today. So she is our beauty. She's a lovely, lovely girl. Another of the cardstock stickers, a cute little bird and again in that beautiful muted blue. So everything's soft, elegant, really, really pretty. I still haven't stuck my deer down. I'm going to save him till the very end. I want to make sure I've got everything else in place first. So Just looking, I'd like to, yeah, just add a few more bits because there's so many pretty things. So again, another little hint of muted blue there. It's just a little fronds of leaves, and it's quite pretty as well. But again, making sure I get all the right spots for things. And you can see how fussy I am. Like, I really do move things around a lot before I commit. But I think it's worth it. I mean, it's a really elegant and pretty page. And I think this, yeah, you can't go wrong with these colors. It's gorgeous. And of course, the kit is beautiful. So that really helps make it easy. A little butterfly. I was going to add the gold one in as well, but then I realized with the rule of 3, I didn't have a third butterfly. So I just wanted to have the one then. And I like butterflies to have their wings up, but of course the sticker was just too sticky. So I ended up going flat, but I don't think it matters too much. I love the wood grain hearts. I think they're really soft and they were a nice touch. Sadly, because of the lighting, they're a little bit hard to see on the page here, but I thought the soft wood grain was a really lovely warming touch. It's quite a cool layout. It's not crisp, but it's got that cool feel to it with the muted colours, and I just thought the wood grain was a nice balance to that. And again, these gold phrase stickers, oh my goodness, they're so pretty, aren't they? I'm going to go with Lovely as my title because she is such a lovely girl. We're so very proud of her. And popping that one in, there we go. Just making sure it's nice and straight. There. Lovely indeed. Yeah. And of course, it can't not have a sprinkling of gold hearts as well. So as I said, it's a really simple layout. It doesn't look like it took me a lot of time, but it actually, as I said, sometimes the cleaner pages are the ones that I do spend more time on because there's so much, especially layered flowers and florals. It's something I do sort of mess around with for a long time. So thankfully we can speed that up on camera. And then I'm going to foam mount that one just through the middle of the deer's belly so that it will hold against, and then I'll just put a little bit of tape onto the frame there so it tucks in. I'll fold up the ear and the tail, and yeah, just lift the legs a little bit because they're paper, they'll hold up. And yeah, look, I think that's pretty much me today. So really simple, really beautiful main kit only creating today with a diagonal design. If you've got questions or comments about my layout, please don't hesitate to pop them down below. And thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful, happy arty days. Bye.